Hello everybody! In today's video I'm going to show you a Chrome extension that allows us to search for SAP Notes quickly and easily. This extension also offers a few other advantages which I present to you in this video. So click on the menu, then on Extensions and visit Chrome Web Store. Here we type in SAP Note and we see here Power Notes Searcher for SAP. Click on it and I have already installed this extension and you can install it here. So, and next you can click on the extension icon to pin this extension to your browser so it's always visible in your browser. Okay. So I've already did this. So I click here on this extension and we see here different options. We can search for note numbers. We can search for the content of notes, the description. Then we can search the SAP community network. We can search the documentation help.sap.com and we have also an expert search. In the options, we see that we click on the note, a new tab is opened and the notes are highlighted in the descriptions. So the max note history is 10 by default, okay. So we have also shortcuts here. If we click on these links, we jump directly to the SAP support website. For example, BTP Cockpit, SSCR keys, incidents, software downloads, and so on. Really useful. And I would say, let's try the extension. So we type here a note number. So I type here 1852401, click on go, and then a new tab is opened. And here we have to sign in with our SAP Universal ID. So paste here the password, sign in, and in a couple of seconds we should get a result. And here we are, we see here the description of the note. The note number is highlighted by a green color. Green means I have already read this note, and yellow means I haven't read this note. So we can, some notes are links and others not. And the advantage is we can also click on note numbers that do not have a link. The extension will then take care of it. So double click on one of these notes and we jump directly to the description of this note. Okay, so if I click again on the extension, we see here a history, today, yesterday, last week, and so on, the different notes which I have read already. We see the note, the version, and so on. And if one note is important to me, I can pin it. So I click here on the menu and click on Pin Note. And after that, the note is showed under the pinned title. If I reopen this, if I click again on the extension. And I can copy this to the clipboard. So let's show what's in the clipboard. We see the SAP note, the description, and the version. So it's useful for documentation and so on. Okay, now we see the pinned note. It's on top of the list and we can download the note as a PDF. Okay, we see pop-up blocked. First we have to allow this pop-up. Click on Done. Then we click again on the PDF icon. Now we see the PDF and with the description, and if we save this note, we see a very well chosen file name. It's the note number, the description of the note, and the version as PDF file. Okay, then I click here on save. So, and what else can we do? We click again on the extension. We can export the whole list. We see here a description, note number, description, date, and if a note is pinned or not. And we can export this to an Excel file, for example, for a project and so on. Okay, so highlighting works good. Then let's try the search in the note contents. So I write here CSS error theme SAP Horizon. Click on go. And then we have a couple of notes, and if the result set is too big, I can go back and we can pick the expert search. And if we then click on the button go, we see here a couple of options to select different things to limit our result set. This is pretty cool. But it is best to try it out for yourself. Yes, documentation, we can check this as well. Some results in the documentation tab. Yes. And very interesting is the history of the read notes. Have a look at the extension. We have a context menu as well. If we click on the right mouse click, Power Notes searcher for SAP, we see save, print friendly link, share link, and so on. Okay, yes, that was it already. Check it out for yourself, give it a good rating, and the developer will be blessed. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Also write something in the comments. I always like to read them. Take care and see you on the next video.